So hey guys, so I have a package here from MYR company. So this is a magnetic calendar for the fridge. So this is made of acrylic. So this is a dry to erase board. So yeah, so it has two pieces inside for weekly and monthly. So I'm very excited to open this up. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing of this package. So this is the magnetic calendar for fridge, guys. The length of this is 16 inches by 12 inches. Inside there's two pieces, acrylic monthly and weekly dry erase board reusable planner, and includes 6 colorful highlight markers. And it has also a magnetic pen holder and an erase towel. And the erase towel holder is also included in this package. This product has clear premium acrylic material. The acrylic dry erase board, made of high quality transparent acrylic materials, will not block the appearance of the refrigerator. Simple and fashionable, the calendar is 0.12 inches thick, so it's durable and resistant to scratching and breaking. With a panel size of 16 inches by 12 inches means more writing space. So this product has a protective sheet, guys, that you could remove before using this. The magnetic monthly calendar and weekly planner set is a product designed for you to plan your daily life. This stylish, clear acrylic magnetic calendar panel and memo set allows you to write more, such as meetings, important festivals, anniversaries, meal plans, fitness plans, etc. Keep the whole household on a schedule. The handwriting is easy to erase with just a piece of cloth or wet tissue. Even if it stays for a long time, you can easily wipe it off without leaving any residue. So this is what's included inside the box, guys, or the package. So it has the calendar, the acrylic transparent, and the other one is the weekly planner. So I'm so excited to put it on my fridge. So come with me and let's do the easy installation of this beautiful product from MYR or through Amazon. So this is the before look of my refrigerator, guys. This product features a strong magnet. The magnetic fridge calendars use four powerful magnets that adhere firmly to the refrigerator or various metal surfaces with a very strong grip. There's no installation required. Just simply place it on the applicable surface you want, then start your record. Easy removable, makes your life more convenient. It features 6 vibrant markers, ultra clear writing that easy to erase. The magnetic fridge calendar dry erase set comes with 6 markers with 6 vibrant colors that are visible on any background, light or dark. The markers with fine pen tip are smooth to write on the acrylic fridge calendar. The handwriting is easy to erase with just a piece of cloth or wet tissue. Even if it stays for a long time, you can easily wipe it off without leaving any residue.
Yay! This will be Are you? I want purple. Pink.
So yes guys, so that wraps up our unboxing and review for today's video. So yeah, this that product from MYR, the monthly and weekly calendar for the fridge that made of acrylic is a great way to track our day-to-day schedule or some memorandum to do, like a organizer. It's a great planner. Yeah, it's a great helpful tool for us. Like for me, like I'm a busy mom of three, so I really need that. Even though I'm used to sticking papers on the fridge or depending on my digital calendars on my phone, but this product from MYR is a great way also as a it's an amazing solution for us to track our daily appointments or daily tasks, what to-do list. So it's a nice organizer, amazing planner, yeah, for us to monitor, especially for us moms. We're always in the kitchen, so it's a nice for us to have that kind of beautiful, wonderful, special tool for us. Yeah, so it's a nice because it has a weekly planner, like monthly planner as well. So yes, so I'm so happy with this kind of product. So that's it for today's unboxing review, guys. So if you like our video for today, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on our next one. So yeah guys, bye, take care and God bless. Bye.